Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Outlook. Open Calendar now and pick the calendar you intend to share. Make sure you're signed into your Exchange or Office 365 account because sharing features depend on server permissions. Once selected, right-click the calendar or click the Share button in the ribbon to begin. Do this immediately so you're working from the correct calendar. It avoids sharing a default personal calendar by mistake and ensures recipients will receive appropriate access. Now add the people who need access and pick permission levels carefully. In Outlook on the web, use Share. In Desktop, use Calendar permissions or properties. Choose View only for read access, Editor to allow edits, or Delegate for mailbox tasks. Make sure to explain why you chose that level so recipients know what to do. Once done, send the sharing invite. Recipients will accept, and calendar entries will populate their calendars according to the permissions you set. Finish by having recipients accept the invite and confirm they see your calendar. If someone can't access it, first verify you granted the correct permission level and that both accounts are on Exchange or Office 365. Next, check organizational sharing policies or cached mode issues. Switching to Outlook Web Access quickly isolates client problems. As a final tip, remove and re-add the share, or ask your admin to reset sharing rules if
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.